Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a very exciting video. This is my empty apartment tour. So this is the tour of my first apartment all to myself. It's actually right downstairs, so it's convenient in the sense that my landlord is someone that I trust and love, and I'm also really close to Skipper, my dog. So it works out both ways in terms of that. And yeah, by the time you see this video, chances are I'm either about to move in or I'm already really actually moved into the apartment. I'm just waiting now to book a good time for movers to bring my bedroom downstairs. I still gotta do some measurements to figure out if I can actually fit my desk down there, because it looks like right now I'm not gonna be able to. So I'm just trying to cover all my bases, get all the measurements, do some finalizing. There's a couple more things I need to pick up. I do have another video that I'm going to post of basically a compilation vlog, a bunch of footage that I took with the bigger milestones, like putting together my first end table, so my first piece of furniture that's really mine. You're gonna see footage of me and Morgan couch shopping, buying my lamps. After the couch was delivered, I'm gonna show you guys what that setup originally looks like, and probably a bit of footage from the actual move-in day as well. So that will be going up as a separate video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this empty apartment tour. I'm just gonna roll right into it. Alright, so here is where the apartment begins. That is the outside door, and it comes down into a small exterior porch. So I've got about 3 by 4 feet here. I'm gonna get a mat for there, one of those all rubber ones, so that way it protects the flooring there a bit better. Even though it is waterproof flooring, I just want to make sure. Anyway, so that is the exterior porch. Then you come in through this door. There are 2 little ledges there, so I might just get a little tray for keys or something for right there. The electrical panel is in here. Nothing that exciting. And here is my hallway. So I have a bit of a hallway here. I eventually would like to get a console table of some sort to put here, but that's going to be a later thing. And here is my coat closet. So all of my outdoor coats, a shoe rack for here, and then baskets up top with like mittens, hats, scarves, that kind of thing. And then we come down into my little stairwell. And then I'm gonna start with the left here. So when you turn left, you come into my kitchen. So there's my kitchen right there. The fridge goes right here. And here is my living room. I already have, as of right now, I have 1 end table, and my TV stand is still upstairs because it arrived today. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and put together my end table today. TV stand will go here, couch here eventually, and 2 end tables, coffee table here. Then you come down this hallway. To the left, we have the bathroom. Nothing super fancy, but definitely good enough. There's a small vanity here, so I do have a bit of under-sink storage. Then up in this cabinet, it's a bit more of a deep shelf, so I think this is where my bathroom linens are gonna go, and you'll see why in a second. There is the tub. As you can see, there's a window, so I am gonna have to keep some sort of shower curtain in the back as well. And then behind the door here is just a towel rack and a full-length mirror. Now, across from the bathroom, there is a closet for storage, but as you can see, these shelves are really short. So that's why I'm thinking of putting my towels out in the bathroom closet, because I think they'll fit better there. And in here, I'll probably just do like a shelf of maybe pantry items for the kitchen, a shelf of like cleaning supplies, and a shelf of maybe like extra toiletries, that kind of thing. And then all of my cleaning supplies like vacuum, broom, all that stuff will go in here as well. Not really sure what that is. I feel like it's a heater or an air conditioner. And then moving into the bedroom, this is a 1-bedroom apartment. So that is what the bedroom looks like. It's kind of dark in here right now because the windows are snowed in, but it should have enough space, at least for my bed and my dresser. I'm not sure if my desk is going to fit in here because this bedroom is smaller than my bedroom upstairs. And here is my bedroom closet. It is fairly deep, so lots of good storage there to take advantage of. And then last but not least, we have my laundry room. So I do have a washer and dryer in here. So there's the washer, here's the dryer. There is some storage up here for like cleaners or whatever I may need. I may also put my brooms and like mop and whatever in here instead of that other closet, not sure. And then we have the water tanks and an extra shelf of storage. And yeah, that is my apartment. Okay guys, that is my empty apartment. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to share my life down there with you guys. And yeah, I will see you soon with another video. Bye!